So the question was asked to me, what is Josh's favorite PEZ dispenser? What's really going on? PEZ collecting fans, PEZ... blah, 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 blah. Josh, the PEZ guy here, doing it for you. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. Well, to answer your question, my favorite PEZ dispenser is not the cockatoo. Get on out of here. Mine is the Pelican. That's right. In order to get a Pelican, you have to start with a cockatoo. You have to break this off. As you can see, it's been broken off. Little nub there. Then you flip over the beak. And upon flipping over the beak, you will see he resembles a pelican. Pretty cool dispenser. My favorite by far. Imagine how much PEZ you can hold in that mouth. But let's teach you something. On the cockatoo down here at the bottom, this is how you're going to find the stem. Made in Austria. There is no patent number here. Should be a, wait a minute, reverse IMC 8. Reverse just means other side. Non-patent side. Patent side. Usual place for IMC. Reverse IMC. A Pelican. Really good paint on that Pelican. Mighty fine looking Pelican. So until next time...